Hey powerhouses, it is Marisa Reyes here, and this week I am doing a series on the common mistakes that keep us stuck. So each day I'm going to do one of the mistakes and then my solution for overcoming that mistake. So just know that everything that we're talking about here comes from mistakes I have already made. So this is totally authentic. I've already screwed up all these things, felt the terrible pain of going through that process, and then found solutions that worked for me so that I could overcome that challenge and continue to move forward. So let's get started. Our mistake number one. If we are stuck, it's because we have not upgraded our operating system. Albert Einstein said the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. Well, the same goes true for ourselves. So if we want to change our behavior, or we want to be able to start taking action in a place where we have been procrastinating, or we've been stuck, or we don't really feel like doing it, then we can't keep doing the same thing over and over again. We have to change our operating system, and that starts with right up here. So changing the way we think, both about ourselves and our experiences. So if we haven't done that kind of work, how would we ever be able to get a different result than what we've already been experiencing? I've got a couple different videos that will walk you through those things, but the first way that we change how we see ourselves is to change how we talk about ourselves. So remembering the great things about ourselves instead of like the, you can't get anything done. What's wrong with you? Why can't you do this? You failed so many times. You're never going to get it. If we've got that voice playing in our head over and over again, no wonder we're stuck. That is not a recipe for success at all. The other thing that we can do is to change what we focus on. And so that is the gratitude practice. It helps us to sift through all of our experiences each day and decide which things are we going to keep and which things are we going to release. So I just shared a video last week about how gratitude can help us stop negative thinking. You can find both of these for how to reprogram our mind on my channel under Resilience 101. So one is how to stay positive, and it looks like this. And then the other one is how gratitude stops negative thinking. So I just can't remember what the thumbnail looks like. So anyway, when we practice gratitude, we cannot experience any other emotions. So if we are in the process of beating ourselves up because we're not doing what we know we need to do or what we should do or all of that, if we can focus on the things in our life that we are grateful for, then that helps us take us out of that negative place of judgment and criticism and put us into a way more positive space. Because Jay Shetty says that when you are experiencing gratitude, you cannot experience any other emotion. So if we can change our perspective and how we view our day every day and ourselves, that is the very first step that we need to address in order to be able to take action on the things that are going to get us where we want to go in life. You can watch both of those videos. They are on my YouTube channel, ThePowerWithinOnline. And then also, if you would like personalized help in getting your plan put together so that you are going where you want to go, doing what you want to do, feeling how you want to feel, and getting the things done in life that you know will get you to the place of fulfillment and health, I also have an online course called 6 Steps to Transform Your Life. And we focus on exactly these 6 things, these mistakes that I'm talking about here. And we put it together into a simple and easy to use action plan. So it takes about 10 minutes a day total to experience transformation. So I'll show you how you can piece everything together in a really easy to use system so that you can achieve your goals and experience victory. Yeah! I'm Coach Marisa Reyes at The Power Within, empowering healthy and fulfilling lives, body, mind, and soul. Thanks, everybody.